Hey friends, I am dressed, showered, ready for the day. I did little buns with a Dutch bread. Now my sturdy shirt on and a denim skirt. And now I am gonna do my first, the quantum mechanic thing I was talking about, like putting on this little smaller, sturdier shape. So I'm gonna do that with quantum mechanics right now, and then I'll just go, I think, in the order of this. So this we don't have yet because that's the course after this one. So I'm going to do quantum mechanics, then I'm going to do common starter, then applied math, then programming, then statistics mechanics. Yeah, I'm really excited, and let's study. It's, I don't know what time it is. Yeah, it's about 5:10 p.m. And so far I've done about 2 hours and a half of homework. And I've done pretty much everything that I wanted to do, so that's really great. But I'm feeling so down for some reason. I don't really know why. I feel very sad, very alone. I think that in the future I need to schedule at least one activity outside of my apartment for every weekend, because I can't stay inside for the whole, I mean, yesterday I did take a walk, but today I just stayed in here the whole time. And I should not, I clearly should not. But yeah, I think that now I'm gonna clean my desk and then I'll do some yoga. Yeah. And after that, I will maybe study a little more. And I also need to plan my week, the week ahead. Like the meals, the workout. No, I planned the meals already. So just the workouts. And I think I'm going to do my weekly month of, my weekly week. My monthly week of social media right now. So yeah.